How to redeem coupon code in Temu. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Temu app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Temu account. After you've logged into your Temu account, click on You at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you click on You at the bottom right corner of your screen, here you'll find coupons and offers at the top. Click on Coupons and Offers at the top. Here you will find Enter Coupon Code. Now simply type in your coupon code in here and press on Apply. After you've pressed on Apply, your code will be redeemed in this account. And this is how to redeem coupon code in Temu. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. If you have a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.